Alright, everyone, hi. Hey then, so I'm right now. And just don't care about the fact my avatar is a furry. Obvious reasons. Anyways, I'm gonna be playing some games. So I don't really know what to do, so Alright, here's what I am. And also don't care about the fact that don't care about the fact that I or time to go to what should I play today? Bird. But right. Alright. Let's just get to it.
Everything.
Don't worry about it.
Can you all heal people?
No, we all.
If you want to ask any questions, do it in the comments below. I'm even recording this. I don't know if I am, but it's worth a try.
Okay.
It just should load. Yep, it's loaded. My goodness. What's happened? I'm glitching out. Someone taking me up. I don't like that. I just think I need to reset. Alright. I'm a bluebird now. Man, this one's so laggy. I can't even. Jesus, what is happening? Alright, that's done for all. Alright, see you tomorrow.